Those are my glasses. Don't do that. What? What? You don't like them? Huh? Oh, you might have to get down, huh, to go get them. Gonna get them? Huh? Are you gonna go get them? You are? Yes. Well, do you want to wear them? I don't want to grab them because you're going to get my thumb. Oh, that's what you think of them? They're terrible. They're terrible. Scary things. They're scary. Yeah. Are those so scary? Huh? Well, you better get them. Yeah? Go get them. Go get them. Get them, get them. Gonna go get them? Huh? What? They're scary. They're so scary. Are you gonna get them? You're protecting Mommy from her glasses. Oh, where are they? What? Huh? You gonna get them? They're right here. That's what you think about those, huh?